So most people solve this question like 1 minus 9. So 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8, right? Now 1 minus 6. So 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5, right? So minus 8 times minus 5. So minus 8 times minus 5 is equal to 40, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 1 minus 9. Now solve this parenthesis first. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5, right? So time minus 5. So now 1. Now minus 5 minus 9 times minus 5 is equal to plus 45, right? So 1 plus 45 is equal to 46. So the correct answer is 46, right? If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.